Hello, class. This is Alma Waslinski, and I'm your instructor of record for Math 1324, Business and Social Science Mathematics. This course is a summer course, so we've got really 5 weeks. So this is for the very strong-willed, focused students. So let's get started with the orientation here. What I want to do is introduce the course, the structure, what's needed for the course, the communication concepts, and summary. So let's get on with the show. All right. This is a mathematics course. It is for business majors. It is the one before you get to the calculus component, which is 1325. We'll start off with algebra topics that are linear equations, quadratics, functions, graphs, and equalities. Some special topics, which are linear programming, matrices, systems of linear equations, and applications. That's where I'm starting, by the way. And then the last component, which is simple and compound interest and annuities, that business concept. It is not a difficult class, but you must have a willingness to work hard because this is 5 weeks. All right. The course structure, it is an IA class, meaning that you've already paid for the access to my math lab. It is all on Brightspace, and the grading involves a discussion board, and that's kind of a component to try to get everybody to communicate. Let me have a little bit idea of what kind of students you are. Homework, exams, and of course a final, all online. The course structure is I have several methods of instruction. One of them is videos from the publisher, as well as my completed notes. And then we have a timeline. The timeline is to make sure you don't get behind. Missing one whole week is deadly, and I will drop you on that if you do. So the timeline is what's on the calendar. And I also offer tutoring on Zoom or email, anything that'll allow you to ask me concerns, questions, and ideas on it. Well, here's what you need. You need a TI-84 calculator. I use some of the programs there, and that's what I instruct with. You need a writing instrument. A spiral would be perfect because for review for tests, I refer to homework problems. There is no mystery in this course. It's very hard to do during summer. You need a good computer with access to internet. If you do not have internet or it is faulty because the program does have a lot of pop-up windows, you may come and drive to MCC and log into our broadband. We have broadband anywhere on campus. And if you don't have a computer or laptop or it breaks, then go to the LTC building and see about, let me know, and see about maybe signing out one of our tablets or laptops, I should say. The key thing is, of course, time. 5 weeks is nothing, absolutely nothing. And there are massive amounts. I don't cut out the objectives. I kind of shorten the homework a little bit. But it's the same as if you took it in a 6-week course. So be aware of that. It is not for the casual learner. Okay. So let's talk about communicate. I offer a Zoom in the evenings. I have email always. And the textbook has all kinds of capabilities. It has the help me solve this, the view an example, and of course, sending it to me by getting more help. And I will look at it. So what I want to do right now is go to the course, and hopefully you'll be able to see it. All right, so let me go right here. I'm going to shorten it a little bit so that you can see what I want you to see. Okay, so this is my home page. Of course, I'm teaching summer 1 and summer 2, and you all's course is right here, the last one right here, summer 2. You'll see this, and you'll click on it, and that'll get you to my course. And so we're going to click on it. And you'll see this home page. And the home page, and I know I don't have it big enough, and I'm sorry about that. So you'll see this, and you'll see the announcement. The key part here is you must read the announcement. On the right-hand side is a quick access to Zoom. You can click on that, and then you'll be there at my office hour. You'll wait for me to allow you in, and we can have a conversation. Those are my times, and I answer email in the morning. It's really more like 8 to 10, but I'll read it during the day. My announcement tells you the week information that you need. Okay, now the key thing about getting on this course is going to content. If you go to content, you'll see what's available to you. My orientation videos. Now, this is important right here. I'm boring on the videos, and I'm sorry about that. But it's helpful. Okay, this is important. This is my contract with you for summer 2, and this is our calendar. Okay, ready for it? Okay, wait for it. Oh, my stars. What? Okay, here we go. Week 1, which is a partial week. And look at that. 2, look at that. 3. And then on this part right here, this is week 4, week 5, and 6 is the exam. Okay, we're talking 2 days. Understand that you should print this out, because this is a synopsis of what I'm doing to you. But I've had great success. Last summer, I had 28, and I have 28 this summer too. And 26 of them all were successful with nice grades. So it is possible. You just have to stay on it. So this is my breakdown, the one I just discussed on the PowerPoint. And you can see that it's got every information you need to get a hold of me. That's my cell phone. If you need to get a hold of me and I don't do email on you, or somehow I lost it or whatever, you can text me and I'll definitely look for your name and answer any questions you have. Please do not call me. I am in the classroom or out and about. So, but do text me and I will call you back. All right. So that's that. Okay. And it gives you I was talking about our content. Let me go back. I want other things to show you. That's the syllabus. And okay, now I have completed notes. Where is that? There they are. Okay, so my completed notes, if you're unable to look at stuff, well, you can look at my completed notes. They're all PDFs, and they'll help you get a hold of what I said in the video. They're not bad. I don't know if I put, yeah, I did. Yes, I did put the calculator information, and it's there for you to review because I use a calculator a lot. So that's pretty good. And let's see, what else did I have under content that I wanted you to see? All right. Now on this guy right here, let's see, where am I? Okay, my math lab for students. That's you. So you'll go to all assignments. Make sure that all assignments is where you go so you don't have to hunt for the exams. And right now there's no due dates. I'm going to put due dates in after we get started. But I wanted to show you, let's do that one. So say we go to this question here and it's bunk. And you can do, it's not a bad one. And but you're confused about it. Well, the help me is right here. And it will give you a detail of how to process it according to the book. Now, remember, I use a calculator. The view the example also does the same thing, but the help me solve this has you answer. If you want to send it to me, you can click ask my instructor and it'll shoot me this problem as an email and I will respond. So that's another asset for you on this course. Investigate everything we have. The discussion board, well, you know, it's a component of being online. So that's my job. All right. Okay, hold that thought. Oops. Brought down the wrong one. All right. So here we are. Okay. In summary, you got to watch the videos if you don't have a mastery of the tool. And that's a TI-84, or the 86 will do table analysis as well. Okay, so either that or look at my notes. Follow the calendar. I will have due dates, and that means you'll have to contact me, and it's a part of the component of taking roll. I have to take roll, so that means that you must have at least 3 of the objectives completed to be present in the class. And that still puts you behind for the next week. So be fully aware of your commitment to this course. You must keep all your notes. This is vital. If you're going to take the test and you have 2 attempts. So the first attempt, you might fall on your face. I don't know. And you can look at it back and look at the homework on what happened that you didn't do on the exam. This is awful for me. Anyway, okay, do Zoom, email, and even go to the LTC building on campus, and they have you can get face-to one-on-one tutoring. And definitely take your exam after you've done the homework, because the next section, they're all satellite, they're topics. They're not linear in content. So each chapter is a unit of its own. So please take them after you do the homework. All righty then. I love this. All right. I love teaching. I am verbal. I will do whatever you need to be successful, except take your exams. And the thing is, it's up to you. This is definitely a college level class. There is rigor in it. It is not a cakewalk. We are not high school at MCC, but we do have some leniency on some things. And I key point the homework to match the exam. So that's a big clue for you. Now, I leave you with this, one of my favorites. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. In that regard, you have to decide where you're going, not where I am, but where you're going. And communicate. And I'll do my best to help you on your way. I thank you very much for choosing this course. I have a full class. I appreciate that very much. So that means I should have a good passing, that everybody is going to be working with each other. Thank you very much. I will see you in cyber class. This is Alma Wislinski, your instructor.